Okay, so you join us in our DVS training room where I did give you a snippet before. We have the C-TEC addressable alarm, fire alarm system fitted, ready to be programmed. And we also have the famous NC951 toilet alarm, bog alarm as some people will call it. A super fantastic all-in-one kit. So everything you need is inside this box. All the instructions are on the back. It's super, super simple. All we need to do is take power to the unit. We've used Cat5 cable to wire the units up. You can use 4-core stranded alarm cable. So it's super simple, very, very versatile. So we have the core controller. We have the disabled refuge or disabled toilet light, even, should I say. So illuminating light to show that it has been called and assistance is needed. You have the sounder and reset. And you have this wall or ceiling mountable pull cord. Now we've mounted it on the wall, could be on the ceiling, but it hangs exactly the same way. When you pull the cord, that illuminates, that goes off, that illuminates, that is calling and goes into alarm. It's a super simple, but super cost effective. Even comes with a sticker. So, as you know, guys, you pull this cord, illuminates, makes that buzzing sound. Now there is, so I can simply reset that. They're done. So there is an option with this. There is a volt-free contact on there, so that could be taken off for expansion or to be integrated into another system. And there's also the ability to call accept. There's a jumper or a link inside under here, which you choose call accept on. So obviously then that allows you to accept the call, go and investigate, etc. and then help and assist the person that has pulled the cord. Sometimes they're pulled by accident, it happens, I've done it. But again, a super simple kit, very, very cost effective. I was surprised how high quality this kit was. When we got out of the box, it took us, of course, it's only here. It took us 20 minutes to put that on the wall. It took longer to fish the mains cable to the unit to power it. But it's simply powered by mains, Cat5, Cat6, 8-core, 4-core alarm cable, whatever you've got that goes between it. Again, you've got the LED indicator, the reset, the call and the pull cord, wall or ceiling mountable, all in the kit. Compliant, pull it, goes into alarm. What a lovely looking kit. If you need to know more, let me just silence that. If you need to know more, get in contact with your friendly DVS sales rep for more information. We are going to be taking a look at the C-TEC addressable system. We're going to have a couple more C-TEC as well as some of the other stuff over there. But again, we're super excited to partner with C-TEC. More to come on that and some cool more stuff that we are going to be pushing over the next couple of weeks. Plus, I am going on tour. I am going to see them along with some of our customers, so keep out for our content there. Any questions, get in contact with your DVS sales rep or give me a shout, give DVS a shout, whatever. Take care. See you next week.